Hello, and this is part 1 of controlling a Lego war tank. Ignore the finicky of the turret, that is just the running of the code. Unfortunately it does that constantly, I have no idea why. But part 1, I have a servo motor connected under the turret, which is the testing of this video. Basically, if I press a number, the turret will turn a number amount of degrees. Now it only goes up till 13 and goes down till 1. So if we write 13 and we press enter, it moves 180 degrees. If we press 1, it goes the other way around. If we press 7, it goes to the middle approximately. We can also do it with number 2, 3, and then it just starts moving a little. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 apparently does nothing. Okay, so it's 12. 12 is the maximum. We can do it 11, it starts going back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apparently 2 is the minimum. Okay, I see now. As you can see, the turret is quite loose. I'm not rotating the motor right now, apart from the finicky stuff that happens, because the way it's connected from the beneath, I don't know if we can see it properly from here. The servo motor has a wing, and the turret is just caged around the wing, so it's a bit finicky because the wing isn't exactly the size of a stud, isn't the height of a stud, so it dances a little bit, but that's fine. So for next part we can just press Ctrl and C to stop the program. So for next part I am going to attach two buttons. I'm going to, how does that attach? Oh yeah. Two buttons to the breadboard as sort of an upgrade. I will continue working on this code. So when button 1 is pressed, the turret will move one side. When the other button is pressed, the turret will go to the other side, from 1 till 13%. This is all done via PWM. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you next time.